Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. There are three types of people in this world. The first type is who do not prepare and also feel nervous to speak in public or communicate in a formal way. If he has to speak something in a meeting or in a stage, he fumbles and avoid it. He know that I am not preparing, and also I could not do learn these skills. So I I never will be able to speak in the communication, speak properly, or speak in a formal manner in a stage or in a professional way. And are also the second type people is who who feel that yes, I've learned so many things in my life, and I also can do it. He do not prepare for it, but he feel that yes, this is not a very big skills. If one day I have to speak in public or in a very bigger conference, I can able to speak because I'm day to day I'm speaking to so many people. So if that is required, that I can do it. He is positive that he can do it, but he's not practicing or learning anything. And third type of people is who know that this skills is a learnable skill, and this is very important skill to learn, because if this skill can be learned, this can give us a massive growth in our career and life. In any business, communication skills and convincing skills, marketing skills, selling skills, these are very important. Why I am combining these skills, marketing and selling? Because if you communicate and convince people, then you can able to sell things. Then you can able to market things. If you're not able to communicate, if you're not looking confident, and if you not look smiling, then people will not like you. They will not buy anything from you. They will not like you, and they will not let you grow. So the third types of people know that this skill is very critical skill. So this skill is a learnable skills, and this skill needs some time. It cannot be that it's like a tree. You cannot that one tree cannot be grow in one day. It needs some time to grow and give fruits. So it gives some time. It need time as well as it need environment. So for these skills, it need time, it need learning, and it need practice. And the third type of people, who are very few, that is 1% people who know that this skills is very critical skills, and this skill is a learnable skill. I will do it by learning. I'll continuously learning. I'll choose one mentor. I'll do learning. I'll practice, and then I will be improve my skill day by day. Yes, friends, I can improve my skills. The skills, there is nothing is you can achieve it. This is a skill. You can improve the skills. I will improve the skills by continuous learning and practicing, by choosing right mentor, continuous learning from him, and practicing the way he is telling. If by doing these three things, this third category people grow in their life, because they know that this skill is the one skill which help them to grow massively. So which category do you in, or which category are you in? Do you feel that you are in first category, or second category, or third category? Because only 1% people are in the third category, who continuously learning and implementing and practicing. Because it is that skill, it need long time practice. What I am doing, and I am a student of communication, and I am continuously learning new skills from my mentors and practicing that. By practicing, it will be slowly moving towards a perfection. But you need to improve on a continual basis. It is like a step-by-step journey, and every step will be, in every step you will feel that you are improving and you are growing in your career also. Because when we have to, if we have to grow in our life, we have to move ourselves out from the crowd. We have to speak with more people. If we will be in a crowd, then we cannot be good. If we have to come out from the crowd and speak and influence the crowd, then can we grow in a massive way. So video making itself is also one of them. To speak to audience, to speak to influence people. So you can make video, you can read many English journals but speaking loudly, and the same way you can watch movies, English movies, really some English movies which is close to our original language, because some English movies the language is very different. So we don't need to learn all type of English. We have to learn those type of English which is close to our culture. English has a different way. Also, the people of different country speak in a different manner. So we don't need to learn all the things. We have to learn specific skills to improve our communication, because learning should be simple. We should not make it very critical. If we make it critical, then we will not continue it daily basis. When we make it simple, we can continue it daily basis. So make your learning simple and easy. Just make 10 minutes video. Just make 15 20 minutes watching your mentors. Just apply one to two things what you have learned. These all things will be help. Just read for 10 to 15 minutes. Listen something. You can, at this time of sleeping, you can listen also. I have also given one video in my description box of Yale Nightingale, which will help you to improve your communication skill also and improve your mental growth. It will be improve your growth. You will, because sometimes we are very close to the negativity. If you are very close to negativity, if you always think negatively, then it will be stop you from the growing. So we have to come out from negativity and become a positive thought person, and some we should create some good thoughts. This all things will be, this all thing will be covered in this video, which is also help you to listen English and also help you to for your mental growth, for positivity, because positivity is very important for growing. If you feel negative, then you will not able to grow. So watch this video. This is in description box. This will be help you to grow faster. This will help you to grow your communication skills, also to grow your any skills you want to grow, and also it will be improve your finance. So this all thing will be help. So practice these things. Be the type 3 person who is not so confident, but he is know that this skills is important. He's choosing a mentor, he's listening, learning all the things, practice it and improve it. So this all thing will be improved slow. Don't be the track of this skill is not a fast track skill. This is a marathon. You have to walk daily and you will be improved slow by day slowly, but very precisely you can improve your skill with a very small time. You don't have to give lots of time. You can give half an hour to 40 minutes daily, but keep it daily. Like yoga exercise for our body, half an hour to 45 minutes daily to maintain our health. So to be a good communicator also will keep time, half an hour to 40 minutes daily. Watching, making videos and reading, listening, learning, all the things just in half an hour, 40 minutes daily. And to keep patience. with a patience and continual learning and practicing, it will help you to grow. To practice daily, daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.